I'm going to show you how to use the color grading tool in the Lightroom app. First, you have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into color in the right side. Then we scroll down, and here we have color grading. Here we just take, for example, shadows, and move this little circle to the hue of the shadow that we would like to have. So as you can see, now we have a bluish hue. Now we can adjust the saturation of the hue and the luminance as well. Then we can move on to highlights, select a highlight color that we would like to have, adjust the saturation, adjust the luminance. Now we can go into the midtones, select a color again, adjust the saturation, adjust the luminance, and then adjust the blending and balance. The balance means to which, whether the picture leans more towards the highlights or towards the shadows. You can adjust the balance, and yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.